How's it going, fellow YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna go out in the garden. We're gonna hook up the old 5-foot tiller with the 26 Max here. And for clarification, I know there's been people asking about tiller size and tractor size and how it'll work together. Here in Iowa, we have really good quality black soil with really no rocks or anything like that. And so for reference, I just wanted to show you how well this tractor performs with that tiller attached. Again, this is the 26 horsepower tractor with 19 horsepower at the PTO. And we're going to be hooking on the Mahindra MTIL 150, which is a 5-foot tiller. And we'll be doing some tilling with it. And we'll not be going to go in full depth just because I want to get the top mixed up here. And then we'll do a deep till in the spring when we're ready to plant. But we'll be using about, we'll be probably tilling about, we'll say 4.5 inches deep with it, with the tractor. So you'll see how it performs. I think you're gonna be surprised in seeing how well it does perform. There's no issues with power, and really you can go about as fast as you would like to go forward, but I was trying to get some stuff mixed up in there. So stick around. I hope you guys enjoy today's content. As usual, if you have questions, put them down in the comments, or any feedback on the video would be great. If you like what you're seeing, give me that thumbs up. That's the best thing you guys can do to help out the channel. And if you're already not part of the YouTube family, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and follow along. And if you would like to as well, you can hit that bell next to it and it'll give you updates or more video, or let you know when I post more videos and such. So stick around and we will get out in the garden. First, we're gonna get it cleaned off. All right, I got all the corn taken off I want. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw these edge tamers on just to play with them a little bit more. I found these things have had a lot of good uses in the garden. It helps to keep that bucket edge from digging in, like I've said before, but it also helps to grab some things. So as I knock these corn stalks over, I can use it to help pick them up. A mini grapple, you'd call it, I guess. I don't know. It's not quite that good, but let's give it a go. Let's go play with it some more. sticking around, everybody. Like usual, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, leave comments below if you got questions. Like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. Until next time, I'll see ya.